of revelations included in former Defense Secretary Robert Gates' upcoming book that President Obama didn't, quote, believe in his own strategy with respect to Afghanistan. Some soldiers who were sent to the front lines say they are angry, but not shocked.
It's infuriating. And I've gotten email after email and phone call today and the last couple of days from guys who have served outraged. I mean, outraged, but also it was just a confirmation of what they thought they already knew in their gut.
One former senior Army officer says, quote, it was clear, in fact, that Obama had misgivings about both Iraq and Afghanistan. In the end, it appeared that he grudgingly thought Afghanistan was the right war, and then he saw it as an albatross around his neck. The book's revelations will also have an impact on the families of those who died serving in Afghanistan.
I think most families who read this book will be shocked at the ineptitude and the amateurishness of those at the very highest levels of our decision making.
So many families are invested in, hey, my son gave his life for this nation, and I understand that other families have done the same. But to hear that the commander-in-chief may have put their son or daughter on the line, not fully believing in the strategy he sent them there for, it's offensive, it's outrageous, it's maddening.
Some believe the trouble stems from the president's skepticism and mistrust of his own military leaders.